Hello guys, today we prepare the vanilla ice cream homemade. Now I'll show you all the ingredients. After that we have mixed the ingredients together. If you have the ice cream machine, you can use it like you use normally. If not, I'll show you one solution that you can make the ice cream at home without ice cream machine. For the ice cream you need 130 ml of milk, 130 ml of double cream, 2 yolks, 55 gram of white sugar plus 5 gram of vanilla sugar. Now we put half sugar with the milk and the double cream and we put on the stove. We on the stove. When start boiling, you can remove it, and you will add to the yolk that we have already mixed with the sugar, and you should mix very fast. In this way you prepare the ice cream dough, we can call it. After I show you how to make the ice cream, but now prepare the ingredient, the mixer. Okay, our mix is ready. Now we should wait that it become cold. So you can put it in the fridge or in the freezer. And now that we are waiting that it become cold, I'll show you how to make the ice cream without ice cream machine. If you want to make the ice cream without ice cream machines, you need the ice and the salt. I put 500 gram of ice and here there is 100-120 gram of salt. If you mix them together, the temperature will go minus 20 Celsius degree. If you put the mix that we prepared before in the container and we put in contact the container with the salt and the ice, everything will frozen. So in this way you can make this. So now I take the mix, I put in the container, and after we make the ice cream. Okay, our ice cream is ready. If we stick to the spoon, it's ready. Now we can put in the refrigerator and I clean everything very well, and after I will test it for you. Remember, more you shake the water with the salt and the ice, more the chemical reaction will work. Mamma mia, spectacular! If you come near, I'll show you that it's very soft. Okay guys, remember to subscribe to the channel, to leave me a like it and to watch all the other videos. If you like, please share these videos with your friends. If you have some requests, let me know, you can write down on the comments. Bye bye!